let's take a moment and talk about drying system, cleaning system put together for a compressor. It's a 6-stage DIY that you can do. In the first stage, I use these stainless scrubbies. I'm just going to shred them apart a little bit and loosely pack it in here so when the air passes through, moisture, it'll catch onto the stainless. Come down to the bottom. We have here cotton, okay? They're inserted throughout. I also mentioned too, in each one of these chambers, there's a cotton pad on top and bottom, just to secure anything from coming out. So we come down, come up, and go down. Now we got our desiccant. 1, 2, 3 chambers, desiccant, coming up and around, up and around. And in our final stage, we have carbon, which freshens the air, let's say. You know, any residual oils, anything that may be remaining, this would definitely kind of capture that last little bit. And through our out, we have a regulator and digital gauge for pressure. So, if you can see there, obviously it's 0 because we're not hooked up, but yeah. And then our exit, 1/4 inch. So this is all 1/4 inch throughout. AN8 fittings, but basically 1/4 inch MPT. So that's what comes out here. And quite possibly could end with the, I think they call it a Filbus, is the manufacturer. It's desiccant. They also claim to have some kind of oil water filter inside as well. It's like a 4-foot hose, so it might come out the exit with that. So just something you can do. You know, these are about $30 a tube. These are for like filling. They show a lot of like oxygen canisters for maybe diving in the water and so on. They're rated like 4,500 psi. So these tubes, you know, aluminum, anodized, and these are about $30 a pop. So you know, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. You know, all inclusive, probably $250 unit here with fittings and the gauge. So this is repurposed from the central pneumatic compressor. So I got a few mods going on there along with this little beast here. So if you found it informative, hit the like, appreciate it.